Now given n factorial upon 2n factorial n minus 2 factorial and n factorial upon 4n factorial n minus 4 factorial are in the ratio 2:1. We have to find the value for n. Now, given n factorial upon 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial is in the ratio n factorial upon 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial. This is equal to 2:1. Very first thing. Okay. So, now what we can write it? N factorial upon 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial times 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial upon n factorial is equal to 2/1. Okay. Now, here n factorial and n factorial can be cancelled. So, what we are left with now? We are left with 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. This 4, okay, with n minus 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. Now, n minus 2. Now, 1 less than n minus 2 is n minus 3, and again n minus 3 negative of 1, that is n minus 4 factorial. So, here we can stop it because denominator and numerator in the factorial form remains same. Now, this becomes 12. Now, what we have done it here? No. This and this cancels, this and this cancels. Okay. So, we are left with 12, 3 times 4 is 12 upon n minus 2, n minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Now, n minus 2, n minus 3 is equal to 6. This 2 and 12 cancels with the 2 and we are getting 6 here. Okay. So, now again n minus 2, n minus 3, to this we can write it 3 times 2 because this is bigger than this one. So, we will write 3 for this one and 2 for this one. Okay. So, what we are getting now, we can write it n minus 2 is equal to 3 and n minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence, n is equal to 5, n is 5. 3 plus 2, I just wrote 3 times 2, okay, it is 3 plus 2. For both the cases n will be 5. So, this is the answer.